Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Arun Sv. Today I will show you
how to remove noise inside Adobe Audition within 5 seconds. Let us open Adobe Audition. In this tutorial there are two categories. First one, we directly import our clip through Audition. Otherwise we can export audio from Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Premiere Pro. This is my audio with noise. Now we going to treat it. Hello guys, this is the rough audio. Now we going to remove noise with Adobe Audition by right clicking it, then edit in Adobe Audition. The Audition window opens with the footage. Then select the noise portion of the audio. This is the noise portion. Then Shift P to then OK. Now Ctrl A to select all. Then Ctrl Shift P to remove the noise. That's it. Then hello guys, this is the rough audio. That's it. It will automatically replaces the clip in Premiere Pro automatically. We don't need to replace it. Now play the hello guys, this is the rough audio. Let's see the difference. Hello guys, this is the rough audio recording for the purpose of hello guys, this is the rough audio recording for the purpose of.
If you feel any trouble on this tutorial, please comment below. Then never forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Arun Sv. Stay tuned. Stay connected with me in Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. We will meet you next time. Bye.